name's Gavin McGahey and I'm the Managing Director of Planning Plus Software. Planning Plus Software is workflow planning and efficiency for predominantly the collision repair industry. As you can see, I'm here at our head office based in Australia. We've managed to build our software to be adaptable to collision repair shops in all parts of the world. As an example of that, we have body shops using our software in the United States of America, Canada, Ireland, South Africa, also in the Middle East, in places such as Qatar, Kuwait, Oman. And then we come back across to Asia Pacific, where we have body shops in Hong Kong, Singapore, Thailand, and our core market here in Australia and New Zealand. So we focus on helping the body shop do things like reducing their cycle time, improving their key-to-key, improving their touch time, understanding the metrics of their business. That's what we specialise in. So we'd love to help you in your body shop. Look us up, www.planningplus.com.au. Get us on board and we'll help you make more money and repair more cars faster. That's our catchphrase. That's what we love to do. It humbles me when I can walk into a body shop and know that our software has made their life just that little bit less stressful and given them the profits that we all deserve from taking the risk of being in business. Thanks again and welcome to Planning Plus Software.